Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Happy last day of school to the 2019-20 school year. As we finish today, I do want to give one last reminder to students. You still have a little more than 6 hours. If there is any outstanding assignment or task that you have not completed yet, you still do have till the end of today to get that done. But anyway, today marks the official start of summer for students. All right. Even though students and parents, we want you to understand that even though the school year has ended, our school lunch program is not going to end. Going through next week, all the way through the summer, Jess, Carol, and Donna, they're going to continue to provide sack lunches for our students. So encourage everybody to take advantage of that. Again, that's for students, for kids age 1 through 18. Same time, same location to pick up. Parents, you do not have to be, parents, the students do not have to be there to pick up this lunch. Your babysitter or you can pick it up, or an older sibling can pick it up for any of those kids aged 1 to 18. The student itself does not have to be present to pick that lunch up. But again, that's during the weekdays. We'll continue this next week all through the summer. All right. Big news is yesterday afternoon, the governor announced an additional 1.5 phase of her reopening plan, which is going to cause some decisions to be made for some of those events that we have coming up: 8th grade promotion, driver's ed, graduation, prom. I'm waiting on a little bit more guidance from KSDE before we make any decisions on some of the changes, but it does look like we're going to have to consider thought to making some changes because some of the planning that we did 2 weeks ago when their initial 4-phase plan came out does not look like it's going to fit. But again, I'll get some more guidance early next week. So I'm going to encourage parents, students, please keep looking for communication from me in the form of emails. As I get that guidance, I'll pass along some of the decisions that it looks like we're going to have to maybe entertain and make here. All right, one thing that we know is not going to change, and that is our student checkout procedures for Monday and Tuesday, next Monday and Tuesday, between 8:30 and 11:30 in the morning and 1 to 4 in the afternoon. We'll have sign out here on the main west door to enter. It's going to be very quick, either the student or the parent. Don't need both of you, just one or the other. Come in. It'll be a pretty quick checkout procedure, but there are some things. So if you have any school-owned calculators, textbooks, library books, band instruments, I do need you to bring those in during that student checkout days on Monday and Tuesday. Again, that's grades 7 through 11. Now again, parents, with your permission, we are going to allow the students to keep their electronic Chromebook over the summer. Again, that takes your permission. We will have a little form, a little check-off list when they come in and check out. But again, they do not need to bring that in if you're going to give them permission to keep that over the summer. All right, seniors, we're going to still plan on a checkout for you on Wednesday. Again, I'm going to be in contact with you early next week, Monday or Tuesday, once I get some more details, because my plans for what we was going to do on your checkout, I think I'm going to have to make some changes to that. It looks like pretty obvious I'm going to. But again, I'll be looking for communication from you on that. But we'll still plan on that Wednesday evening. I just don't know what that's going to look like now. And then last thing I do have, parents, I'm going to ask that you fill out one last survey. I have a link with this email, email that's contained in this video. Please click on that and a little bit more thorough of a survey. It does mean a lot to the staff and myself. So if you'll please take the time to fill that out, I'd much appreciate it. And that's all I have right now. Again, please continue. I know the school year's over, but continue to look for communication from me as we chart some of these unsettled waters that we're in. Again, great day, last day of school. Hope everybody has a great start to their summer break. Take care.